This is the Dietz Blizzard number 80, and today I'm going to show you how to change the globe, the wick, and the burner. They're all pretty easy to do. Basically what you want to do is with the handle up, lift up from the top, and then you can tilt the globe over. Here, you can easily remove it, wash it, replace it. While you have it tilted over, you can also twist and remove the burner. This allows you to check the wick, maybe give it a trim, replace it. You can also use this time to look into the tank, make sure there's nothing in there that shouldn't be. Simple twist. Remember to pull up in the top, go back in place, and that's it. Lighting can be done by pulling down the lever and gaining access to the wick. This goes for any Dietz lantern or hurricane style lantern.